Hey guys, Craig here again, howtopest.com. I'm really excited about this new product from Zoecon, guys. This is Essentria IC Pro. What this did, it took the place of the Essentria IC 3, I believe is what it was called. Here's the difference in the products. They took a product that was already good, they made it better. And they did that by taking the odor away from it. So now it's a very, I shouldn't say away, but they made the odor very low now. If you've used Essentria IC in the past, the 3, then you know that the peppermint oil is very strong. It's great outside, inside a little overwhelming for either you or the customer that you're servicing. So what they did is, like I said, they took the peppermint oil out and replaced it with some other essential oils. Works just as well, even better, if you ask me. And then what they did is, a lot of us pest control guys, we didn't like the way this ate away at our seals and our O-rings inside of our sprayers. Over time, it would eventually make them leak. They've tried to eliminate that. I haven't been using this long enough to know if it's eliminated that, but so far so good, no leaking, and we use this all the time. This product in the past worked really well on mosquito treatments, and it worked well on spiders. It worked well on all of the bugs, but if you needed a go-to for that, mosquito and spider treatment, this was good because of the oil-based formulation. It held up really well. So as you're going to see this bottle I have in front of me, the difference you'll notice if you've used it in the past, it would look like this down below, this kind of brown looking color. You see the white in here? This one, it holds up a little different. So all you do is you just shake this stuff up when you get it, and then it's going to turn like a milky white. So it's going to be a little different color formation, not going to matter to you. You're not going to care. Once you spray it, it doesn't come out white, still comes out clear. Holds up really well. You can apply this to just about anywhere, guys. Read the label, but I'm talking vehicles, buses, trains, schools, shroom factories. Get your shroom on. You can put this in cannabis farms. This thing is labeled for just about anything. Read that label. It'll tell you exactly how to apply it and the formulation you're going to need for what you're going after. But once again, guys, they have taken IC3 and turned it into Essentria IC Pro. Great product if you're looking for that all-natural treatment. You can use this in just about every piece of equipment you want to use. The fogging, the backpack sprayers, the power sprayers. Just read the label, because the percentage that you mix right here is going to vary on what you're going after and what piece of equipment you have this in. If you have any questions about this product, just reach out to us at howtopest.com. Thanks, guys. See you soon.